These delicious pull-apart Italian sub sliders couldn't be any easier to make. They're loaded up with classic Italian deli meats and cheeses, and it's all toasted in the oven. To get started, line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. Cut a 12-pack of Hawaiian slider rolls in half. To the bottom half, add 6 slices of provolone cheese. Layer the meats with 12 slices pepperoni, 4 slices Genoa salami, 6 slices sweet capicola, 4 slices mortadella, thinly sliced beefsteak tomato. Then I add some pickles. You could also do red onion or roasted red pepper. Top it with 4 more slices provolone, and for the top I melt 2 tablespoons butter, mix it with an 1/8 teaspoon salt and a 1/4 teaspoon Italian seasoning. I brush this all over the tops and sides of the slider buns, and then I toss the sliders in the oven where they bake at 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes. They're done when the top is a golden brown, and the cheese should be all melty inside the Italian sliders. While these are presented and called pull-apart Italian sliders, you do need to use a knife to cut them just so all the meats and cheese separates nicely. The best way to do this is by adding large toothpicks to each of the slider buns and then cutting it. If you love easy recipes, you can print all of these at sipbitego.com. And when you're there, sign up for my Foodie Fridays email list. I'll send you one delicious recipe to cook each weekend. I'll see you in the next video.